Hi ladies, I'm Natalia and welcome to my channel. If you're looking for motivation, energy, and the confidence to be your best self, you've come to the right place. My channel's goal is to inspire confidence in women through weight training and through a healthy lifestyle. Together, we will challenge ourselves, go beyond our objectives, and feel stronger in our bodies and in our minds. Ladies, let's get real. There is more to fitness than endless glute sessions, light weights, and hour-long runs. No more myths, no more excuses, no more insecurities. You too can work out. This channel will provide you with the tools and motivation to hit the gym with confidence. We will show you some exercises that you can do both at the gym and at home, and we will help you achieve the results that you want. Whatever your personal goals may be, I encourage you to love your body and treat it the way it deserves. Through weight training, we will learn how to shape our bodies, but most importantly, how to feel good in them. There is a misconception that weight training should only be for men and women should stick to cardio or light weights, when in fact there are countless benefits for women, such as shaping a feminine body that a lot of us pursue, or losing weight, or just having that motivation in your everyday life to feel good in your own skin and achieve what you want. If you want to change and become the better you, dare to try. Try and make your own opinion of it. Don't follow the crowd. Do it for yourself and yourself only. Do it for the better you. Be a rebel, a fit rebel. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to join me in this amazing fitness adventure. You can also like me on Facebook and Instagram. Links are down below. Ladies, I'll see you in my next video. See ya!